Okay, it's here. Whew. Quite a big box for 3 meals, isn't it? Let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. I've put it on the floor, then we can see exactly what it looks like. Ooh, interesting. So, we've got, the recipe sheets. Jerk spiced pork with coconut rice and pineapple. Middle Eastern lamb stew with couscous and charred courgette. And mega meatballs and cheesy mash with bacon and onion gravy. Very cool. And then it tells you all the ingredients that you need. I hope I've got everything. What's in there? Whoa! I've got a bag. It says 15 on it, but I've no idea what's in it. There's another bag. 3 people. Number 21. Okay. Oh, I guess this is the number that the recipe is. Number 10. 2 people. Oh. And then there's just a random garlic in the bottom. Cheers, babe. And then there's like this. Chilled goods are inside. Pop me in the fridge, refrigerate on the same day of delivery. Take the padding out of the bag, check locally before. Alright, okay. Ooh. So there's like big bags of ice. This meat is really cold. That's really, really good. I was a bit worried. But yeah, this is rock hard ice, look. Rock hard bags of ice. Okay, so we've got all of our meat in here. Lamb mince. Whoop. Beef mince. I don't know what that's for. Pork mince. And what's this one? Oh. Pancetta. Okay, what's this little packet? Oh, cute. Little cheeses. Alright, so that's all the chilled things in there. I'm guessing this must be all the veg and couscous and things. So, it's really good because I'm guessing everything's in one bag that you need for each meal. So that's super cool. So we're going to be cooking one of these later. Yeah, I feel like I want to probe this just to see how cold it is. Let's have a look. I've got my thermometer probe. It's 20 degrees in here. I'm just going to shove it in there. Okay, I figured it out. So there is the number of the recipe. 21, 10, 15, 15, 10, 21. I don't know if you can see, but it says that it's 6 degrees, 6.1. Yeah, it'll probably go down to 5 now if I leave it another second. But I know fridges are meant to be between 0 and 5 degrees. So to say that this has been out in a shed pretty much all day, I'm pretty happy with that temperature. I think that they've done a really good job of like insulating it and keeping it cold so that it stays okay. There you go. Look, it's just popped down to 5.9. So I imagine if I left that for another minute, it would go down to 5. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to check all these bags have got everything they are supposed to have in now, because I've heard some funny things about HelloFresh. 15 is the Middle Eastern lamb stew, and it's got directions on the other side, exactly how to do everything, and ingredients, and cool. Right, so this is number 15. Let's check everything's in there. Ooh. Okay, so I've got my lamb mince, I know that. We're meant to have a stock pot, the couscous is there, courgette, what's that? Coriander. Yep, coriander, tagine mix. Yeah, that's tagine paste. What's this? Tagine garnish, have I got that? Yep. And finely chopped tomatoes with onion and garlic. I'm guessing that's that. Cool. Just going to check this courgette's okay. It's not rotten or anything. No, that looks really nice. little bit battered, but that's probably my fault for ruffling it around in the bag. Cool, so everything's there. That's awesome. Number 10, we're having mega meatballs and cheesy mash, which I think we're going to have tonight. And again, all the instructions and everything on the back. Let's see if everything's in there. I'm not sure I can get over, like, how cute things are. What? Isn't that the most adorable little thing you've ever seen? All right, let's see what we're supposed to have. A potato. Well, it says potato, but there's more than one. We've got the pork and the beef mince. Italian herbs, I've just shown you them. A red onion. Cheddar cheese, that was in the bag. Breadcrumbs. Yeah. Chicken stock pot. Yeah. Red currant jelly. Okay, yeah, red currant jelly. Pancetta lardons, they were also in the bag. What's this? Broccoli. Yeah, tender steamed broccoli. Italian herbs, that's it. Yep, everything's there. Fantastic. And finally, we've got our number 21. Oops. Which is the jerk spiced pork. Jerk spiced pork with coconut rice and pineapple. Ooh, okay. This looks interesting. So, we've got ready done rice. Oh! Coconut ready done rice. What else have we got? Some green beans. Oh. I think they might need a wash before they get used. A green pepper. Oops. An onion. Little onion. What else? It says we need jerk rub. Yep, jerk spice mix. Pine peel, probably. Yep. And what's this? A tiny little soy sauce. Cool. Oh, and garlic, which they gave us a whole bulb of garlic, which is cool. Everything's there, and keep refrigerated. Wash before use. Yeah, looks like you need a wash. There's no like use by dates on any of the vegetables or anything. So today is the 7th. Let's see. 29th, that's a good date. What have we got here? Used by the 11th, that's okay. What else? 11th again. 7. So 1 tonight, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've got 5 days to use that. What's this? 11th again. For the beef mince, and oh, another ice bag. What's this? 11th again. Oh, one more, which is the lamb, and that's the 13th. Okay, so it's pretty good, isn't it? It's just ice herby, don't get excited. Okay, there we go. I've organised them. Oh, that doesn't need to be in there. But yeah, okay, so I've put like the one that needs eaten first at the front and the one that has the longest date in it at the back. It's dinner time! We're going for mega meatballs and cheesy mash with bacon and onion gravy. Got everything I need out here. So let's follow the recipe and see how it goes. it's ready. Here's what it's supposed to look like, and I tried to make it look as much like the picture as I could. Ready? Ta-da! Yeah, I mean, it's kind of there. Right, Dan, do you want to come try? Yeah.
This looks like a sensible portion for two.
Well, this like, when I was looking at the...
Look at all this shit.
Right, I've tried my best
You've
to
done
do
alright,
as little as possible.
You've done alright. What are your 2 pans? That's not so bad.
2 pans, the grater and masher, a chopping board.
Nice mash. I like it like this one's a bit rough.
Let me try the meat thing that's I'm most interested in. Mmm. It's nice, isn't it?
It's like a
sensible amount of food.
posh sausage and mash.
I don't know if this interests you, but here is the amount of washing up from making this meal. So, the plates that we ate off, the meat I mixed in there, chopping board, grater, baking tray, masher, drainer, potato pan, and the meatball pan, and the stirrer, and the lid. So, it's not terrible. I think I could have used a lot more. If I had a dishwasher, I'd probably used a lot more. But because we wash up by hand, I'm a little bit more careful. But yeah, I don't think that's too bad. Okay, it is the second night of HelloFresh. We're having Middle Eastern lamb stew with couscous and charred courgette. That's what it's supposed to look like, and that's what it looks like. Looks alright, doesn't it?
Is that mine?
Yeah, that's yours. You need to put coriander on top.
Yes.
There's no coriander on top of this one, though. But there's tons there. There you go. I'm not a massive fan of coriander, so I've just put a little bit in the sauce. But it smells really good. Okay, we're on night 3. And what are we having today? Jerk pork with coconut rice and pineapple. Dan's put a little bit of yesterday's coriander on top of his. But yeah, it smells good. We're going to have a taste. Pan peel. Oh, they sent us 2 porks, by the way, which is why it looks like there's loads. Mmm. It's nice. It's a bit greasy, but it's probably because there's 2 porks in it. But very tasty.
Mmm.
Nice.
Mmm.
It wouldn't be a video from me if I didn't say I need to cut my fringe, would it? So, we've had our 3 meals, and yeah, they were good. Like, really enjoyed every single meal. They were quick, pretty straightforward, not confusing to follow the recipe at all. Really, really enjoyed it. So we're definitely going to be trying HelloFresh again soon. If you want to have a go, I have a code which gives you £20 off your first order. Fantastic deal. So if you'd like to use my code, you don't have to. I will pop it down in the description below. There'll be a link and a code which you can copy and paste and give it a go. It's not like a monthly or weekly subscription thing. You just order it when you need it. So I downloaded the app and it's got a list of all the different recipes that you can try. Really, really good. They've got vegetarian, they've got family, all sorts of stuff. It's really, really cool. So you just click on the 3 meals that you want. I think you can have more than 3 a week if you want. And you just go from there. And if you think, well, I'm not going to need it next week, you can skip a week. You don't have to do it every single week. That's the best thing about it. If you want to give it a go, I'll pop the link in the description. Excuse me, I'm burping. Please do check it out. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Don't forget to leave me some comments as well if you've tried it or if you thought any of the meals looked nice. Just have a little chat with me down there. All right, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.